Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best roof coatings available in the market, the Henry Coating Roof Silicone WHT.90 This product promises durability and performance, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to protect their roof. The Henry Coating Roof Silicone is designed to provide exceptional waterproofing and weather resistance for your roof. It comes in a convenient size of 0.9 gallons, which is perfect for covering various roof surfaces. What sets this product apart is its silicone-based formula. Silicone coatings are known for their longevity and flexibility, which means this coating can withstand extreme temperatures and weather conditions without cracking or peeling. If you're looking to extend the lifespan of your roof and prevent leaks, this product is a game changer. Its seamless application ensures that every inch of your roof is protected, whether it's flat or sloped. Applying the Henry Coating Roof Silicone is straightforward. Make sure your roof surface is clean and dry before starting. Use a brush or roller to apply the coating evenly, ensuring thorough coverage. 1 gallon typically covers around 50 to 100 square feet, depending on the surface texture. Compared to traditional asphalt-based coatings, the Henry Coating Roof Silicone offers superior UV resistance and durability. It doesn't require frequent reapplications, saving you time and money in the long run. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-quality roof coating that stands the test of time, look no further than the Henry Coating Roof Silicone WHT.90 Check out the link in the description below to get yours today and give your roof the protection it deserves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights here on Product Critique. Until next time, take care.